You've started 100 things. You've finished maybe 3. Why? It's not laziness. It's not a lack of willpower. There's a hidden pattern that destroys every new habit you try. And once you see it, you can never unsee it. Phase 1. The honeymoon. You're pumped. You buy the notebook, the gym gear, and the meditation app. Dopamine is flooding your brain. This feels amazing. But here's the trap. You think this feeling is supposed to last. Phase 2. The grind. Day 10. The excitement is gone. It's just you and the habit. Boring. Hard. Your brain says, this isn't fun anymore. Quit. Phase 3. The excuse. I'll restart next month. I'm just not a morning person. This habit isn't for me. And just like that, you quit. Here's what's really happening. Your brain has 2 parts. The lizard brain wants comfort, safety, and 0 risk. New habits are risks, so the lizard brain sends you pain signals, boredom, frustration, self-doubt to make you stop. The wise mind knows the habit is good for you, but the lizard brain is louder, it's faster, so you quit. Not because you're weak, because you're human. The question is, how do you outsmart a lizard? Fix number 1, the 1-minute rule. Shrink the habit until it's laughably small. 1 push-up, 1 minute of reading, 1 sentence of writing. Your lizard brain doesn't fight tiny things. Once you start, you'll probably keep going. But even if you don't, you win, because you showed up. Fix number 2, never miss twice. Missing 1 day is inevitable. Missing 2 is a choice. When you skip a day, say this out loud. I missed. That's fine. Tomorrow I'm back. No guilt spiral, just reset. Fix number 3, change the script. Instead of I quit, say I'm learning how to stick. Instead of I'm lazy, say I'm building a new muscle. Words become identity. Identity becomes action. You will quit again, it's okay. The master has failed more times than the beginner has tried. The only difference? They restart faster. If this helped, hit subscribe. I make simple stick figure videos for people who want to stop quitting and start living. 1 small step today. I'll see you in the next video.